What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tariana J, and I want you guys to stay tuned so we can find out, is this real or is it synthetic? Stay tuned, babes. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start off with a 22-inch bundle, and I'm going to start off at the very bottom of my unit. And for this glue gun, I got it from my local Walmart store, and it's a low heat setting. And the glue sticks that I'm using are clear. I hear there's dark glue sticks, so maybe I'll find this on Amazon somewhere. But for now, the clear ones are going to do. And what I'm going to do right now is just press this into the unit. And you're going to see how I do my flip over method with this glue gun in a second. See how you have those white things? Just don't press it down too hard. I learned that the hard way. So as I continue to go on with this unit, you're going to see how I'm doing my flip over method. I'm just going to put this on the opposite side. Just like that, and I'm going to take it back and press it just a little bit. Now the trick to this is not to press down too hard, but to pull it, so that way you don't have a bunch of those white things popping up underneath the hair. So this is what it's looking like so far. And I'm going to do that one more time and show you guys how to do the flip over method. Just place the glue on the opposite side, and right here you're going to see where I do just the pull, and I'm not going to really press it too much. I think you guys got it right now, how to do the flip over method. So I'm just going to move along. And here we go. And this is what the hair looks like up close. And look at the rest. Really great construction. Doesn't have gaps at all. They did a really good job with this. And it comes with a lot of hair as well. So now I just went ahead on and finished editing and doing this wig off camera. And I'm about to close up the top. Just do it like you're doing a regular quick weave, that's all. And I'm just gonna cut that off and secure it a little more, that one piece that was left. And see right here, I'm taking out this glue piece. This comes from how I pressed it down extremely hard. Okay, now it's time to just take this loose and get this wig popping. Now look what she looks like. She's all done. She looks really good. I can't wait to try it on. The crochet piece is really nice. I'm just gonna have to do a few minor adjustments to it as well. Okay, so now that I am done creating my first ever glue stick wig, that's what I'm going to call it, wig I have created, and it is Jamaican Beach Wave by Outre, or Outre, somebody. Outre. Might be Outre or something. I don't know. Anyways, by Batik. And it's the premium multi-blend. Yeah, my nails are horrible. Yep. And this one here is called Jamaican Beach Wave, and it has 5 pieces. You have a 16, a 18, a 20, and a 22. It says it's 1-pack solution, and the color I chose to get is a number 2, you guys. The reason why I chose to get a number 2 is because I wanted it to resemble bundles or whatnot. And it says it's Futura fiber, safe up to 400 degrees. Curl it just like human hair. I won't be curling it because I want to keep this wavy pattern and whatnot. So it comes in a variety of colors: a 1, a 1B, a 2, a 4, a 950, LDR 30, LDR 2730, LDR 425, LDR red, LDR deep blue, okay, and LDR violet pink. I think the violet pink might be cute, I don't know. It says it's from the creators of Batik. Comes the Batik Jamaican bundle hair multi-pack, your all-in-one solution to achieve the trendy Jamaican hair look. Created with a new high-tech blend that creates the texture and feel that is soft and smooth to the touch. Available in a variety of pre-dyed colors, allowing you to mix and match to create your own unique finished look. It has a complete style in one pack, a free 4-inch deep lace parting piece, new high-tech blend fibers, soft and smooth texture, secure double track weft for a superior finish, heat friendly with great curl retention. So, and right here it says concealer effect for natural look, protective lace layer for longer lasting wear, thin silk base for a flat finish. Concealer effect. So I guess that means we can add the concealer to the part piece. So I'm going to take this unit here off, which is in my previous fall inspired video featuring Freetress Equal Valencia wig. And this wig here is a synthetic wig. Y'all can check out my previous video to check this out and you know, so this is what she looks like. Pretty neat. Love the curl pattern. It's really, really cute. And this is the parting on it. So we gotta fix that. And I just went head on and just cut this little piece out and whatnot. So I'm going to take this off. And we're going to try it on. Let's take this off. And we're going. So far, so good. A little snug. That's a good thing. And that means I don't have to add any elastic band. Okay. Go ahead on, Jamaican Wave. So now you know I just couldn't leave that like that. So I'm just going to go ahead on and flatten this closure a little bit. Right here, just to make it look a little more realistic. And y'all see why I have that glue at? Yeah, that's because I pressed it extremely hard and I know I shouldn't have done that. But hey, this is my first time doing it, so don't kill me. So you just want to flatten the top piece. And I'm going to go in with some concealer, but I think I'm going to use my foundation for this part instead. And this is just to make it have that more skin-like appearance, you know, to make it look more of a scalp, make it look a little more realistic. So I'm just gonna pat that in right quick. And this is how long it is on me. I am 5'3", and this goes to the top of my butt almost. If I stretch it, then yeah, it really does go that far down. So that last bundle was 22 inches, so it's pretty long. So I'm gonna go ahead and give a few details on this wig. I went in and I cut the two little pieces right here in the front just to slick them down, give me a little baby hair effect and whatnot, make it look a little more natural. This part is really, really skinny. So I suggest to go in with a good bit amount of concealer. I only did a little bit just so you guys can see what it looks like. This I would say for this hair is not to comb it, I guess you can say. Not to like brush it out or whatnot, but if it tangles, it's just to take your run your fingers through it, you know, just detangle it like this a little bit or whatnot, because I'm quite sure underneath here around the nape area it might get a little crazy, being that this is curly hair and it's still synthetic. You know how it is with the synthetic wigs, they still do tangle just like human hair, you know, but for the most part it's really, really soft and bouncy, and it looks and feels really, really good. It really feels good. And it's not heavy at all. It's really, really light. And what I like about the fact that I decided to get the number 2 is that it really, really looks realistic. It's not shiny at all. It's not shiny. So it really looks good. Really, really good. And I love the wave pattern of it. It's really, really cute. And like I said, it's gonna go great for fall to wear like the big rim hats and whatnot. So I think you guys ought to go ahead and opt and get this hair for the price it costs. I mean, if you're looking for something real quick and cheap and don't have the funds at the moment to buy expensive bundles, then I think the Outre Batik brand is really, really good. It's soft. So I'll give it about a couple of weeks and I'll come back and let you guys know how it holds up. But in the meantime, I'll be rocking the first wig that I had on because I just got it and it's so, so pretty. And I got so many compliments on it because everybody was like, where do you get your bundles from? And I'm like, bundles, girl? That ain't no bundles, girl. That's a wig. So, okay. I got a few little hairs, but it's not too bad. That doesn't bother me. So once again, you guys, I hope you thumbs up my video so I can continue to keep bringing y'all the new or just giving y'all some details and stuff and whatnot. So like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll be here. Bye, babes. Bundles.